In this video, you'll discover the theory of color design and how to make your very own 12-part color circle.
There are many different wheel designs. They all have the similar feature of colors arranged in a circle. Here is one particular design where interlocking shapes indicate how colors should be mixed with each other. I begin with the yellow color at the top, using the cadmium lemon yellow paint, pigment PY35. For the red color, I am using scarlet paint, which is made of PR2 and PR4 pigments. I then add the third primary color, which is blue. Two neighboring swatches of differing primary colors, such as yellow and red, are more suited to make an orange color than the remaining two swatches. This wheel is not about mixing pigments. It is about bright and saturated primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. That is why, when using this tool, you can either mix your own secondary and tertiary colors or use manufactured paints.